And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. It is 6:41. Officially, sunrise is at 7:01 this morning, but you can already see it out there on the horizon, making beautiful colors in the sky, mixing in with some of those clouds that are out there this morning. But really, not a bad start to the day. It is warm and it is sticky when you step outside. There's hardly any wind. Temperatures are at 75 and dew point values are pretty close to that. So, and with continued high humidity, it'll continue to feel even hotter as the day goes on. Let's take a look at the rest of the valley. 77 in Brownsville, 79 in McAllen. Good morning to you in Harlingen, waking up at 75 degrees. Like I said, warm, humid start. And as we take a look here yesterday, we got some rain in the valley. And we put some Doppler estimated rainfall totals here on the map. And you see they're anywhere from around a quarter inch up to just over an inch in very isolated areas like what you see just to the north and west of McAllen, 1.8 there on the map. But most readings were closer to about an inch of rain. So where you got the rain, some of it was very heavy. Other people just saw a sprinkle, if any at all. In your day planner forecast for today, we are going to keep an isolated rain chance in the mix. Not everybody will get the rain, but it's out there. Temperatures will warm up from 80 to 94 by noon. 98 is your daytime high. Let's take a look at the forecast for the future track model. We start the clock at 6. It shows that we could see a few coastal showers to start, and then with the sea breeze front, some of these showers will hitch a ride and make their way inland. Notice it's very, very spotty stuff. Nothing like what future track was showing this time yesterday. In fact, it's even less because we have a lot of dry air moving into the atmosphere. That's going to help settle things down just in time for the weekend. So your rain chances will go from 20% of the valley to seeing that shower today to mainly dry conditions over the weekend and then a stretch of dry weather as we head into next week. And we're continuing to track the tropics on Channel 5 News this morning. We're taking a look right now at the Atlantic to kind of give you an idea of what's going on. There are 2 tropical waves out there. They have some potential to develop into something as they make their way toward the coastline. But pretty much what it looks like is that they're going to stay away from the eastern seaboard. The Carolinas are watching it, especially this one. This one looks a little bit more favorable to come pretty close, but it'll definitely cause rough surf. Meanwhile, this is the remnants of Franklin. It could develop into something as it moves over the Atlantic this afternoon. And although this system is on the other side of Mexico, we're still feeling the impacts back here at home. We have high current risks as well as high surf advisories and small craft advisories in place until 10 o'clock this morning. What you're looking at are wave heights in the valley, or on the coastline rather, and you see 5 to 10 feet out there. So yeah, with that elevated swells out there, you will also notice that at 6:57 this morning when we have high tide that some of that water will wash up into the dunes and cause some minor coastal flooding, but improvement comes over the weekend. Let's take a look at your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. 98 degrees today, will fall to 79 tonight. Isolated showers, so don't forget your umbrella. 100 as we head into the weekend, 101, and it will turn rather breezy on the coast starting on Sunday. Inland areas will feel it in the work week. The parade of triple digits continues from Saturday on, and then your overnight lows will stay in the upper 70s and low 80s, a little bit hot and breezy with your feels like temperatures between 105 and 110 for the next several days in the afternoon. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.